One, we are from Group 7 and we will be presentation about carbon management strategy in a manufacturing company. Hello, I'm Elsa and this is my team. This is Sahilatul and then this is Fanny, this is Berlian, this is Ryan, and this is Radit. In this presentation, we have three sections. The first section, summary and conclusion study case, and the second, opinion about carbon management on green supply chain management, and the last section, suggestion and improvement.
Okay, the first one is summary and conclusion study case. The title of the case study is Carbon Management Strategies in Manufacturing Companies. The purpose of this case study is to provide insight into the carbon management strategy of companies in manufacturing companies that use the EU Emission Trading System or EU ETS. The case study involves oversight of two Slovenian manufacturing companies, which is Sinkarna and Grup. This study is primarily interested in the following aspect of corporate carbon management. First, organizational learning about the EU ETS and carbon mitigation options. Second, the carbon management strategy is used to comply with the EU ETS in terms of the balance between emission reduction and emission trading. Third, emission reduction measures taken, and the last emission trading strategy is used.
And in 2005, both companies indicated that the introduction of EU ETS provided an incentive for actual emissions reductions. Sinkarna strategies to reduce emissions through the higher energy efficiency, and for Karka strategies is claimed that it had optimized its facilities before the SIM was introduced. For the conclusions, Karka has no experience in emissions trading, while Sinkarna has engaged in emissions trading.
So next we're gonna talk about our opinions about carbon management on green supply chain management. So the current environmental issue doesn't only discuss trivial matters, but discuss more about things related to the lives of the next generation. One of environmental pollution is air pollution, which can cause global warming, which increase greenhouse gases that have reached the proportion of 380 ppm. Currently, it is estimated that an increase in the amount of carbon dioxide found in the air was around 280 ppm before the Industrial Revolution, and now the air has reached 2 ppm per year. So the increased proportion of carbon dioxide that exceeds 450 ppm will cause an increase in temperature to up to 2 degrees Celsius that will faster the melting process of the Greenland and Antarctic ice. So the melting of Greenland ice will increase sea level by 6.8 meters, which means the part of the Earth's surface will sink. So for this reason, the UN has prepared the Kyoto Protocol at the UNFCCC conference, and the Kyoto Protocol reduced their collective greenhouse gas emissions by 5.2% compared to 1990.
Stand research that companies should adopt green supply chain management according to the way and friend 2015. First is target marketing. It means that the customer will be even wider because people now discover environmentally friendly products. Second, sustainability of resource. Today, society doesn't want to be fooled by industry players, and resources must also be preserved for future generation. Third, lower costs or increased efficiency. It means green supply chain technology really helps industry players to save more on their costs. Fourth, different products and product competitive advantage. It means that products that have environmental orientation have an advantage over other products. 5. Supply chain competition pressures. For now, companies are are competing to win the market through environmental issues, as well as regulations that are now forcing industries to follow environmental regulations.
Adapting to regulation and reducing risk. The point is, a green concept into the manufacturing industry are essential to reduce environmental impact, compete in the market competition, and ensure regulation compliance. 7. Brand reputation. If the company has a good brand reputation and pay attention to the surrounding environment, it will have added value compared to competitors. 8. Return on investment. If the company implements green supply chain management, there will be opportunities that offer environmental or financial return on investment with regard to cost and benefit. 9. Employee moral. Make employee very aware of moral and social responsibility on their business activity. Essential imperative. A must for all participants is a through chain management. Companies that have adopted green supply chain management believe that being environmentally conscious is a win-win for business and environmental. So, in each of these aspects, it is not far from the name of use of emission gas or carbon starting from the supplier in the production process, the delivery of goods through logistic facility until it is in the hand of the consumer. And for this reason, to help integrate green supply chain management probably, it is necessary to carry out carbon management for every aspect of the company supply chains.
Last is suggestion and improvement from our group. Next. The first is always be wise in the use of resource for given portions because a bigger company has more operational activities that can impact into an environment. So by using resource wisely, it can minimize the resulting carbon emission. The second one is increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the entire process, such as use of raw material and overhead costs through the right management. Reducing unnecessary and insignificant activity also can increase efficiency. And the last is